Welcome back to my channel Luxury Drive Car, the 2025 Rimac Nevera R. This machine isn't just pushing the envelope, it's redefining what we thought possible in automotive engineering. Introduction to Rimac Automobili. Before we delve into the Nevera R, let's take a moment to appreciate the company behind this masterpiece, Rimac Automobili. Founded by mate Rimac, often dubbed the Elon Musk of the Balkans, this Croatian company has rapidly ascended in the automotive world. Starting from a garage, mate transformed his vision into reality, producing electric vehicles that challenge the norms and set new standards. With significant investments from industry giants like Porsche and Hyundai Kia, Rimac has solidified its position as a leader in electric vehicle technology. Evolution of the Nevera. The original Rimac Nevera, introduced in 2022, was a game changer. Boasting 1,914 horsepower and a top speed of 258 miles per hour, it shattered numerous records and left petrol-powered supercars in its wake. Notably, it set a production F record at the Nürburgring and even achieved a staggering 171.3 miles per hour in reverse. Introducing the Nevera R. Fast forward to 2025, and Rimac has unveiled the Nevera R, an evolution that takes performance to unprecedented heights. Limited to just 40 units, this exclusive model is priced at approximately $2.5 million. Reflecting its cutting-edge technology and bespoke craftsmanship, powertrain and performance. At the heart of the Nevera lies an all-electric powertrain that delivers a jaw-dropping 2,107 horsepower. This is a significant increase from its predecessor, achieved through meticulous engineering and advancements in battery technology. The Nevera R's performance metrics are nothing short of astounding. 0 to 60 miles per hour. Achieved in a blistering 1.74 seconds. 0 to 186 miles per hour, 300 kilometers per hour, reached in just 8.66 seconds. Top speed, electronically limited to 217 miles per hour for regular use, but with manufacturer oversight, it can unleash its full potential up to 256 miles per hour. These figures aren't just numbers on a page, they translate to an on-road experience that defies belief. The instantaneous torque delivery, combined with advanced traction control systems, ensures that the Nevera R remains composed even under the most aggressive acceleration. Battery and range. Powering this beast is a 108 kWh battery pack, designed for both performance and efficiency. While official range figures are pending certification, Rimac anticipates approximately 250 miles under the European WLTP cycle. This balance between blistering performance and practical range showcases Rimac's commitment to creating a hypercar that's as usable as it is exhilarating. Chassis and aerodynamics. The Nevera R isn't just about straight-line speed, it's engineered for exceptional handling and cornering prowess. Key enhancements include refined chassis, incorporating advanced materials and design techniques to reduce weight and increase rigidity. Increased downforce. Aerodynamic refinements provide greater stability at high speeds and improved grip during aggressive cornering. Larger brakes. Upgraded braking systems ensure that the Nevera R can decelerate as impressively as it accelerates. These improvements culminate in a vehicle that not only excels on the track but also offers a dynamic and engaging driving experience on winding roads. Design and aesthetics. Visually, the Nevera R is a testament to Rimac's design philosophy, blending form and function seamlessly. The exterior features elegant surfaces and proportions that hint at its performance capabilities. Subtle design cues, such as aerodynamic elements and bespoke badging, distinguish the Nevera R from its predecessors, while maintaining the brand's distinctive aesthetic. Interior and technology. Step inside the Nevera R, and you're greeted by a cabin that marries luxury with cutting-edge technology. High-quality materials, customizable to the owner's preferences, adorn the interior, providing a bespoke feel. The infotainment system offers intuitive controls, while advanced driver assistance features ensure both safety and convenience. Despite its performance-oriented nature, the Nevera R doesn't compromise on comfort or usability. Production and exclusivity. With only 40 units slated for production, the Nevera R is as exclusive as it is extraordinary. Each vehicle is handcrafted, allowing for a high degree of personalization. This limited production run not only ensures exclusivity but also allows Rimac to maintain meticulous quality control, ensuring that each Nevera R meets the company's exacting standards. Conclusion: the 2025 Rimac Nevera R isn't just a hypercar, it's a statement. It exemplifies what's possible when innovation, engineering excellence, and a passion for performance converge. As electric vehicles continue to evolve, the Nevera R stands at the pinnacle, challenging perceptions and setting new benchmarks. For those fortunate enough to experience it, the Nevera R offers a glimpse into the future of automotive exhilaration. Thank you for joining me on this deep dive into the Rimac Nevera R. Stay tuned for more insights into the world of high-performance automobiles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with the latest in automotive excellence. The 2025 Rimac Nevera is the pinnacle of electric hypercar performance, pushing the boundaries of speed, technology, and design. With a monstrous 2,107 horsepower from its quad-motor setup, this Croatian masterpiece accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 1.74 seconds. Making it one of the fastest production cars ever built. Its 108 kilowatt-hours battery pack offers around 250 miles of range, balancing power with efficiency. The Nevera's aerodynamics have been refined for increased downforce and stability, ensuring maximum control at its 256 miles per hour top speed. Advanced regenerative braking and a sophisticated all-wheel drive system enhance handling, making it a track weapon as well as a luxurious road car. Inside, the Nevera blends high-tech innovation with bespoke luxury, featuring premium materials and a state-of-the-art infotainment system. Limited to just 40 units, this hypercar is an exclusive collector's dream, priced at approximately $2.5 million. The Nevera isn't just an electric car, it's a revolution in hypercar engineering, proving that EVs can outperform their combustion engine rivals. Rimac has once again redefined automotive excellence, making the 2025 Nevera one of the most exhilarating and sought-after electric hypercars on the planet. Please subscribe to my channel and share with like. Please subscribe.